Alright, I'm going to show you how to adjust your water heater. First things first, you need to go to your main circuit box. You need to find the one that's labeled water heater. And we're going to go ahead and look for it. We're going to turn that one off once we find it. This top one right here. Then once that's done, you can go back to the water heater. Go ahead and take off the front cover. There'll be a total of 2 covers. Once you get close, once the cover is off, you'll see there'll be an adjuster. Sometimes there's a plastic clip over it. Right now it's about 100 degrees. We're going to turn it up to about 125. That's about the normal operating temperatures for them. Once that's done, you'll go ahead and take the cover and screw it back on. Then you'll go to the bottom one. There'll be a total of 2 covers. Go ahead and unscrew the bottom cover. And you'll see the adjuster. This one you see fairly corroded, but you can still see the adjuster. We're going to turn it up to about 125. It needs to be the exact same temperature as the one above. Once that's done, go ahead and screw the cover back on. Go ahead and turn back on your water heater. It's as simple as that.